Hey Sarasota community, I'm Julie Henry, a local resident just like you. And I love Sarasota probably for the reasons that most of you do. The amazing natural beauty when I walk outside my door, the birds that I see at the beach, the inland waters that I go to kayak, the awesome creatures that I see when I dive underneath the surface of the sea. There's so much to enjoy, protect, learn about. We look to nature for inspiration, for art, for architecture, for medicine, for so many things. What if there was one more way? What if nature, along with everything else, could also teach us how to be better leaders? What if there are lessons built in about how to drive and survive change, about how to work together in teams, and even how to be resilient? Because when I think about nature, really, it's defined by change. Nothing is ever the same. And when I think about when I'm leading, I want to lead change. And so rather than overthinking things, rather than putting too many artificial parameters in place, I walk outside and I look for inspiration in the trees, underneath rocks, and yes, even underneath the sea. I can't wait to be with you this November, and we'll put a whole new lens on nature. We'll look at it through the eyes of a leader, and then we'll put a whole new lens on leadership, and we'll look at it through the eyes of the animals. See you then.